everybody, my subscribers and my students out there. Welcome once again to Flickr Brain. If you're a first timer on this page and you're interested in learning everything regarding Google AdSense loading, be it YouTube loading or website loading, I got you covered. I also share some tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. So you can quickly come over here and click on the subscription button so that whenever I drop a video, you will get notified. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an account that I have been working so far for like 2 months now. So I'll show you guys what we have done so far on that account for this month. And right on the screen, you can see this is the live AdSense dashboard. And you can see what we have done so far on this account. You can see this month so far, we have loaded the account with roughly like $4,000. And you can see today so far, this is roughly $1,000 because we are still working as I speak right now. So you can see what we have done from here. You can see my performance and you can see how everything is moving in smoothly. This traffic, as you all know, I normally say my traffic is fully automated. You can see the traffic are coming here, mixed with a touch of arbitrage, and this side too has a little bit of organic traffic. So every traffic coming here is both mixed traffic. You understand? So you can see what we have done on this account. Let me reload this to know whether there is any update so far. Okay. So if you're interested in learning this method, if you check the description box below, you're going to see a contact info right there. You can click on the description box so you can reach out to me. And for now, I'm not going to be receiving partnership anymore. I've collected enough accounts for this month. So if you want to bring your account for partnership, leave that to next month. Be among the first people to reach out to me next month. I'll pick your account, okay? Nevertheless, if you want to learn how we do this, you can check out in the description box below. You're going to see the contact info. Safe loading to everyone that is loading out there. See you guys in the next video.